On this video today, I'm going to show you a very simple strategy that you can use to make money with affiliate marketing as a complete beginner without any skills and without any experience. This method does not require any investment, and the best part is that you can use it to make money from home wherever you are in the world. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I'll show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to create a Clickbank account or any affiliate network that you know. You can create an account and then use this same method to make money. In this case, we are using Clickbank. Once you create your account on Clickbank and log in, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, marketplace, so that you can find digital products to promote. Once you click on the marketplace, you're going to see a page like this. So now what you have to do is that you have to find a category that you want to promote the products. There are a lot of different categories that you can select. So you can click right here, or once you click on it, you can see the various categories that you can find digital products to promote. You can see a whole lot of them. In this case, what we are going to be doing is that we are going to be promoting a product under the health and fitness. So click right here, health and fitness. Once you click on it, you are going to see a page like this. As I scroll down, you can see this is a product that you can promote to earn money. The commission rate is $148.54. You can see it right here. So anytime you get a sale, this is the amount that you are going to earn. You can see it right here, the initial conversion. That means the first purchase, that is the amount that you are going to be paid. The product owner has an upsell product. So once you are able to get the people to buy the product owner will also promote the upsell product to the customer. Once they buy it, you are going to be earning $10.72. You can see it right here. There are a whole lot of different digital products that you can promote on this platform. You can see as I scroll, there are a lot of them that you can promote. As I scroll, you can see many of them. So any of the products that you want, you can select it to promote. Most of the products, they have good gravity score, which means many of the affiliates who are promoting the products are getting sales. So you have to find one of them that you can promote to earn money from home. You can see a whole lot of them. In this case, we are going to be promoting this product right here, Bulgo Trust. This product, the gravity score is high, and you can see the commission rate right here, $137.56. So anytime you get a sale, this is the amount that you are going to earn. So now what you have to do is that we have to look at the landing page of the product so that we can get some basic information about it before we begin to promote it. To see the landing page, you have to click on the name of the product so that you can be directed to the landing page of the product. So click on it right here. Once you click on it, you can see this is the landing page. You can see this is the Clickbank logo, and you can see everything. As I scroll, you can see they have a lot of different information on the landing page that can convince people to buy the product. You can see a whole lot of different information about the product. You can see everything on the product. You can see in the product they have 3 different packages that your customers can choose to buy. If the customer decide to choose 1 bottle supply, this is the amount that they are going to be paying per every bottle. You can see $69. If they decide to choose 6 bottles supply, they are going to be paying $49 per bottle. If they decide to choose 3 bottles supply, they are going to be paying $59 per bottle. So it depends on what the customers want. You can see your customers are even going to enjoy free shipping. You can see it right here. So this is one of the best products that you can promote to earn money, since they have a good landing page which can convince people to buy the product. You can see a whole lot of different information about the product. Once you have gotten some basic information about the product, you have to begin promoting it. To promote it, you need some materials that you can present to your potential customers so that they can get some basic information about the product before they purchase it. In this case, what we are going to be doing is that we are going to convert this landing page into a PDF document so that we can give it out for free. Once we give it out for free, anytime people see it, they will be convinced to buy the product. We will be inserting our affiliate links into the landing page. So once people view it, if they like the product, they are going to click on our affiliate link and then purchase the products for us to earn money. To convert the landing page to a PDF document, what you have to do is that you have to search for convert web page to PDF. Once you search for it, you are going to click on this website right here, converttopdf.com. Click on it so that you can use it to convert your web page. Once you click on it, you are going to see a page like this. So now what you have to do is that you have to copy the link to the landing page and then paste it right here. So you are going to come back on the landing page of the product, highlight the URL. Once you highlight it, you are going to copy it. Once you copy it, you are going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once you paste it, we are going to click on convert. As you can see, it is converting. We are going to wait for it to convert fully. As you can see, the web page has been converted. You can see it has been converted to a PDF document. So now what you have to do is that you have to download it. To download it, we are going to click on this icon right here. Once you click on it, you can see it is downloading. It has finished downloading. So what you have to do is that you have to open it. As you can see, this is the landing page that has been converted to a PDF document. You can see it has 13 pages. When you scroll down, you can see the information on the landing page. You can see everything. So now the next step is that we are going to insert our affiliate links into this document so that when people read it, they can click on our affiliate link and then purchase the product for us to make money. To insert your affiliate links, you have to search for this website, Seda.com. You can see it right here, Seda.com. Once you search for it, you are going to click on their website. Once you are on the website, what we are going to do is that we are going to upload our PDF document onto this website so that we can edit it and then insert any information that we want. We are going to insert a call to action on it so that we can get the readers to click on our affiliate link and then purchase the product on Clickbank so that we can be making money from home. You don't need to pay for anything. So if you want, you can create an account or you can use it without creating an account. In this case, I'm not going to create an account. So what you have to do is that you have to click right here, edit a PDF document. Once you click on it, you're going to see something like this. Click on upload PDF file. Once you click on it, you're going to select your document. Click on open. As you can see, that has been done. The document has been uploaded. When you scroll down, you can see this is the document. You can see everything in the document. So now what you have to do is that you have to type a call to action. So we can type a simple call to action right here and then insert our affiliate link. All that you have to do is that you have to click on text. Once you click on text, you are going to select the place that you want to insert the text. So we are going to insert it right here. So you can just type something like click here to order now. A simple call to action like this. Once you have your call to action, the next step is that you are going to insert your affiliate link into the call to action so that when people click on it, they can be directed to the product through your affiliate link. To get your affiliate link, you are going to come back on Clickbank, click on promote. Once you click on promote, you are going to see a page like this. If you want any of these landing pages, you can select it. You can preview them to see the one that you want. In this case, I'm going to be using the default one. Once you have selected the landing page that you want, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, create to link. Once you click on it, you can see this is your affiliate link. So anytime people purchase the product through this affiliate link, you are going to be tracked and get paid. So what you have to do is that you have to click on copy so that you can copy your affiliate link. Once you copy it, you are going to come back on your document, highlight the call to action. Just highlight everything. Once you highlight it, you can see this icon right here. Click on create link. Once you click on it, you can insert an external link, you can insert an email address, a phone number, and then internal page, whatever that you want, you can insert it right here. In this case, we are going to insert an external link. So just delete the example link. Once you delete it, you are going to paste your affiliate link right here. Once you paste your affiliate link, you are going to press enter so that it can be inserted. As you can see, that has been done. So anytime people click on it, they are going to be directed to your affiliate link. So now once you have done that, the next step is that you are going to scroll down so that you can insert your affiliate link as many as you can in the document. You can scroll down and then insert them as many as you want. We are going to insert one right here. So click on text. Once you click on text, you can see the text right here. You have to delete this and then type your call to action. Just delete everything. Once you delete it, you are going to type something like click here to order now. Type something like this. Once that is done, you are going to highlight it. Once you highlight it, you are going to click on create link. Once you click on that, you are going to delete this, delete everything. Once you delete it, you are going to paste your affiliate link right here. Once that is done, you are going to press enter. Once that is done, your affiliate link has been inserted. The next step is that you are going to scroll down so that you can insert the call to action in any part of the document that you want. Just scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see right here, add to a cart. We are going to insert the affiliate link right here. So just click on it. Once you click on it, you can see this is the default link. You are going to delete it and then paste your affiliate link into it. Just delete everything. Once you delete it, you are going to paste your affiliate link right here and then press enter. Once that is done, anytime people click on this image, they are going to be directed to the product through your affiliate link. So make sure you go through all the documents and then insert your affiliate link in all the call to action, so that when people click on it, they can be directed to the product through your affiliate link. So this one, we are going to click on it. Once you click on it, just delete the default link, delete everything. Once you delete it, we are going to paste your affiliate link right here. Press enter. As you can see, that has been done. Once you have inserted your affiliate link in all the documents, the next step is that you are going to click right here, apply changes. Once you click on apply changes, you are going to download the document. So click right here, download. Once you click on download, you can see it is downloading right here. As you can see, that has been done. It has been downloaded. You can see the document. When you scroll down, you can see your call to action right here. You can see it is clickable. So when people click on it, they are going to be directed to the product through your affiliate link. Let me click on it for you to see. You can see I've been directed to the product landing page. Assuming a customer click on it and it's directed to the product landing page like this, they are going to buy it, and anytime they buy it, you are going to be paid a commission. So now once you have downloaded the document, the next step is that we are going to drive traffic to the document so that we can get many people to read it and then purchase the product for us to make money. So we are going to be using this website to publish the document so that we can get many people to read it. We are going to be using this website called academia.edu. On this website, you can publish any PDF document that you want. The best part is that the website gets up to 49 million visits every month. You can see it right here. 49 million visits every month. When you scroll down, you can see right here 10.42% of the traffic is coming from the United States. That means we are going to get people who have the purchasing power to buy the products for us to earn a commission on Clickbank. You can see many other countries that you can get traffic from. You can see a whole lot of them. So now what you have to do is that you have to create an account on academia.edu so that you can upload the document onto the platform. To create an account, you are going to click right here, sign up, so that you can create your free accounts. In this case, I'm going to log in for you to see. Once you create your account and log in, you are going to see a page like this. If you scroll down right here, you can see post. You can create content and then post it on this website so that you can drive traffic to your PDF document for people to download it and then read it so that they can click on your affiliate link and then purchase the product for you to make money. You can see library. If you want, you can create your own library and then read any kind of document that you want on this website. They have a lot of tools that you can select. When you click on tools, you can select all these tools and then do whatever that you want. They have translations, they have PDF pack. Any of them that you want, you can use it. But some of the tools, you are required to pay before you use them. There are a lot of different things that you can do on the website. If you want, you can upload an image or a paper. In this case, we are going to upload our PDF document so that we can get people to read it and then click on our affiliate link. To upload the document, you are going to click right here, upload. Once you click on upload, you can see upload paper. You are going to click right here, choose a file so that you can upload your PDF document. Once you click on it, you are going to select your PDF document, click on open. Once you click on open, you can see it right here. It is uploading. So you are going to enter the captcha box to prove that you are a real human. So click on it, I'm not a robot. Once you click on it, click right here, continue. Once you click on it, you're going to enter the metadata of your paper. So you can see it right here. You have to delete this and then enter a nice title. So you can come back on the landing page and then copy this as your title. Just highlight and then copy this. If you want, you can create your own nice title and then paste it there. But in this case, I'm going to copy this one right here. So just highlight and copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you can see abstract. Abstract is simply the description of your paper. You are going to write some brief information about the content of your paper or the content of your PDF document. You can go back on the landing page and then copy some information so that you can paste it right here. So you are going to come back on the landing page of the product. Once you come back on the landing page, you are going to highlight this. Just highlight this. Once you highlight it, you are going to copy it. Once you copy it, you are going to come back and then paste it right here as your abstract. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you can see publication name. You are going to enter that right here. So let's say sugar level support, just something like this. We are going to enter the year right here, 2023. Once that is done, you can see DOI number. If you have that, you can enter it. In this case, we don't have that, so just leave it. Once that is done, you can see the author. You can see this is my name If you have co-authors, you can add it right here. Once that is done, you can see research interest. In this case, what we are going to be doing is that we are going to type any keyword that is related to sugar level. So we are going to type something like diabetes, something like this. You can select it. Once that is done, we are going to enter sugar level, something like this. You can see lowering sugar level, select that. Once that is done, search for sugar level. Once you search for it, you are going to select the next one, sugar level on beverages. Once that is done, you are going to type sugar level. Once you type sugar level, you can see blood sugar level. Click on that. As you can see, that has been done. Once you enter the interest, the next step is that you are going to click right here, save paper details. Once you click on it, you can see this paper contributes to the library by. So you are going to type your name right here. You can just highlight and then copy your name. Once you copy your name, you are going to paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. The next step is that you are going to click right here, post. Once you click on it, you can see this is the document. It has been posted. You can see right here, I posted this one 1 week ago, and you can see that it has gotten up to 10,561 views. So within the matter of a week, you are going to be getting thousands of views, and those people are going to download the video. Once they download it, they are going to click on your affiliate link and then purchase the product for you to make money. So make sure you go and upload a lot of documents onto this website so that you can drive free traffic to your affiliate link for many people to buy the product, so that you can be earning money from home without any skills and without investing any money. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button for updates of my next videos.